Using Wells Fargo Digital Wallet is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to wellsfargo.com in your web browser. Then, look for the section that says Mobile and Online Banking with Wells Fargo. Scroll down on that page to find more information. After that, find the option of Digital Wallet and click on it. On the Digital Wallet page, you will see different options like Apple Pay, GPay, Samsung Pay, and PayPal. Choose the Digital Wallet option that you prefer. Once you've selected your preferred option, you may need to confirm your identity with a PIN, pattern lock, fingerprint, iris scan, or face scan on your device. After confirming your identity, you will be able to use the digital wallet to make contactless payments whenever you see the contactless symbol. Additionally, from that page, you can also find other options like customer service, ATMs or locations, and language settings.